So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at repairing a fiberglass bath. The damage on this one is a split on the face of the edge of the bath. I'm guessing that someone has stood on this at some point and split it. I think we found the culprit as the bathroom has just been recently tiled. So there's a lesson for you. If you ever have to tile over a bath, please be mindful of where you stand. Things you will need to carry out this task: Mitre-mate glue, a Stanley blade, various grades of sandpaper, some paper towels, some masking tape, some white spray paint and some cleaning thinners. Right, I've decided to use a glue called Mitre-mate to bond the repair together. This is part of the super glue family, where you spray an activator to set the glue. It tends to dry clear and is great for certain repairs like this one. Apply various amounts of coats on the damaged surface until the crack is completely covered. Also, apply some on the rear of the damage to give the repair extra strength. Sand until completely flat, firstly using 180 grit sandpaper. Then use 240 grit sandpaper. And finally 320 grit sandpaper, so the repair is nice and smooth. Wipe down with some cleaning thinners, then dry the area. Then stick some masking tape along the top, leaving the one edge in the air. This is to allow any overspray to gradually fade out on the top, not leaving a spray line. I've tried to do a diagram to explain this. Carefully apply several coats of white spray until the repair is completely covered. If there's any imperfections in the damaged area, wait until completely dry, then carefully sand out using 320 grit sandpaper. Reapply the final layers of paint until you are completely happy with the final finish. If you'd like to know what paints to use, please message me and I'd be glad to help, as I wouldn't recommend anything I wouldn't be prepared to use myself. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment below and we'll do our best to reply. And please click on subscribe, as I do plan to put more videos on in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.